Good morning, boys and girls. Today's Wednesday, May 20th, and here's our math lesson. All right, let's start with our I can statement. I can count and write numbers to 120. All right, boys and girls, what do we need to do to this I can statement? We need to, say it with me, break it down. Say it with me, break it down. I can, yes you can, count. Right, when we count, we start with 1 and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we keep going and we keep going. So when we count, we have to, right, we put the numbers in order and we say them aloud. And I'll draw a little person. They're counting. And write. So we're also going to have to write the numbers. So here's my little pencil. Writing. Numbers to 120. So boys and girls, we are going past 100. We are going all the way to 120. Not 120, 120. All right, let's read this back together, all right? I can, yes you can, count and write numbers to 120. Awesome job. How do we feel about this, boys and girls? We have counted and written numbers to 100, right? We had a huge celebration. It was so much fun on the 100th day of school. And we wrote numbers all the way to 100 and we counted to 100. Super duper fun. Today we are going to count to 120. We're going to write numbers to 120. Alrighty, boys and girls. How you feeling about it? I'm ready to rock, Miss Hurley. In the middle, a little shaky. Thumbs down. Very confused. Those are some big numbers. But you know what? We're gonna rock it together. All right, boys and girls, please get out your whiteboard and your marker because guess what I've got? A math story. What do we do with a math story? First, we need to read the story. Then we need to draw the picture. Then we need to write the number, sentence, and the statement. Nice job. RDW. A read, draw, write. Okay. The first time I read the story, I want you to just listen. The second time I read the story, I want you to get that marker moving and grooving. Okay. Ready? Sean has 6 roses and 7 tulips in a vase. Maria has 4 roses and 8 tulips in a vase. Who has more flowers? How many more flowers does that person have? All right, I'm going to read it again. Get that marker moving and grooving. All right, Sean has 6 roses and 7 tulips in a vase. Maria has 4 roses and 8 tulips in a vase. Who has more flowers? How many more flowers does that person have? All right, so we have Sean, and I'm going to label S for Sean. So interesting. S for Sean and M for Maria. All right, so let's go to Sean. Sean has 6 roses. I'll label that R for roses. And, what was it? 7 tulips. There's his piece of tape. Maria has 4 roses. Maria has 4 roses and 8 tulips. All right, boys and girls, they want to know who has more. So we have to do 2 number sentences, right? What's our first number sentence? We would do 6 plus 7 equals mystery number. What would our second number sentence be? 4 plus 8 equals mystery number. And they want to know who has more. All right. Ooh, let me move that down so you can see it. Okay. 6 plus 7. Some of you might just know it, and some of you might not just know it. So let's put the bigger number in our head and count up 6. Okay, so we'll put 7 in our head and we're going to count up 6. So we'll go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 6 plus 7 is 13. So Sean has 13. And let's see how many Maria has. All right, let's put the bigger number in our head. Let's put 8 in our head and count up 4. Ready? Go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 plus 8 is 12. All right. Who has more flowers, boys and girls? Sean has more flowers. And I'm going to write the statement right here. How many more flowers does Sean have? Try to figure that out while I write this down. Sean has 13 flowers. How many more does he have? He has 1 more flower. So I'm going to, he has 1 more flower. Then, run out of room, then Maria. All right, Sean has 13 flowers. He has 1 more flower than Maria because 13 is 1 more than 12, right? Awesome job. You may erase your board. And I left our I can statement up here because I want to go back and revisit it. And it says, I can count and write numbers to 120. So boys and girls, I'd like you to get out your packet, your worksheets for today. It says Wednesday, abbreviated it Wednesday, 520. And it says counting to 120. So it says count to 120 by ones. So we're going to fill this out together because this is going to be a great resource, a great tool that will help you with the next couple pages. So we're going to do the first page together. I'm going to keep bringing it up so you can see it to make sure you stay with me. All right. So we're starting here. We're going to write, the 1 is already written. Okay. The 1 is already written. Okay. Try to bring it up a little closer. I'm going to keep bringing it up closer so you can see it. All right. So I have 1, 2 you need to write. What comes after 2? 3. You're filling these in. After 3 is 4, 5. Look, boys and girls, 6 is already written, so we do not have to write 6. 6, 7. You should be counting with me and writing with me. 8, 9, 10, and 10 is already written. So I have the first row done. Moving on. Okay, so we have 10. Going down here, we're going to go right here. And we're going to write after 10 is 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 15 is already written for us. Keep going. After 15 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 20 is already written for you. Boys and girls, check it out. look, if you're going down, look, we have 1, and then you go right below the 1 is the number 11. Right. 10 more than 1 is 11. So going down, it goes by 10s, right? And going side to side, it goes by 1s. Nice job. All right, so we're at 20. Going down here, we're going to do 21. Hoping you can see this okay. 21. Then it goes 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 is already written, so we do not have to write 26. After 26 is 27, 28, 29. What comes after 29? 30. Nice job. So now we're at 30. All right, 30. After 30 is 31, 32. 33 is already written for us. Then we go after 33 is 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. 39 is already written for us. After 39 is 40. Awesome job, boys and girls. Thank you so much for following along. Flying magnets. All right, 40. 41 is already written. After 41 is 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. You should be saying these numbers aloud as we go. 46. After 46 is 47. 47 is already written for you. 47, 48, 49. What comes after 49? 50. Awesome job, boys and girls. You are rocking it. Awesome job. After 50 comes 51. And you're writing these numbers in and saying them aloud as we go. 51. After 51, 52, 53, 54, 55 is already written for you. What comes after 55? 56. Next one, 57, 58, 59. After 59 is 60. Should have these filled in, boys and girls. And look, as I said before, going down goes by 10s. Going side to side goes by 1s. Okay, after 60 is 61. Stay with me, okay? 61. 62 is already written. After 62 is 63, 64, 65, 66, 67 is already written for us. After 67 comes 68, 69. What comes after that? 70. Have these filled in, boys and girls. You are rocking it. Okay. After 70 comes 71. 71. 72. 73. 74 is already written for you. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. What comes after that? 80. And 80 is already written for you. You are rocking it. We're almost there, boys and girls. Almost there. All right. After 80 comes 81. We're down here, right over here. 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86 is already written for us. 86. 87. 88. 89. What comes next after 89 comes? 90. Nice job. 90. Awesome job. All right. Keep on going. After 90 comes 90. 91, 92, 93 is already written for us. After 93 is 94, 95, 96. Oh, 97 is already written for us. After 97 comes 98, 98, 99. What comes after 99? 100. Whoop, whoop. We're almost there. Woo, woo, 100. Woo, woo, woo. All right. After 100 is 101. Then we're going to write 102. And look how I write this, boys and girls. I'm going to bring it up. 102. It goes 102. So we have 102. 100. Can we see this okay? 103. 104. 105, 106. You got to really kind of write small. 106, 107, 108 is already written for you. 109, 110. And look how I write it, okay? Check it out. 109, 109, 110, 110, because we have 110. All right, let's keep going. We're going all the way to 120. We're almost there. All right, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114 is already written for you. 115, 116, 117 is already written for you. 100, after 117 is 118, 119, 120. Woo-hoo! And I'm going to show you it. Bring it up so you can see it. So I can count and write numbers to 120. Yes, you can. You just did it with me. Awesome job, Rockstar. Whoop, whoop. All right, boys and girls, turn to the next page. And it says, write the missing numbers. Fill in the number in each sequence. Color the eggs in the boxes that count by tens. Okay, so it goes 14 blank, 16, 17 blank. So it's counting by ones. You have to try to figure out the pattern, boys and girls. So it goes 14 blank, 16, 17 blank, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And it's counting up. The number's getting larger, right? And if you were just having, I'm not sure, you can go and find 14 on your chart from the first page. And it goes 14 blank, 16, 17 blank. And you can use this chart to help you find out, oh, it's 15, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And you can use this chart as a tool, a resource to help you figure out the different sequencing, figure out the pattern. Okay, our next one is 41, 40, 39, blank, blank. Okay. Are our numbers getting bigger or smaller? Smaller. It's counting backwards. All right, we can go to our chart on the front and go to 41. 41. It's going 41. Then it goes to 40. Then it goes 30. No, then it goes to 40. Then it goes 39. Then it would be 38, 37. It's counting backwards. So it goes 41, 40, 39, 38, 37. go to our next pattern. It goes, look at this one's a little different. They're all a little different. 70, 80, blank, blank, 110. Ooh, is it counting by ones, boys and girls? No, it's counting by tens. All right, let's go to our chart in the front because this is a great tool. It goes, look. It goes 70. Look, it's going down. It's counting by tens. It goes 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Oh, that was so helpful, right, boys and girls? Now we can flip back. It goes 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Whoop, whoop. We figured it out. All right, let's go to the next one. Blank, 63, 64, blank, 66. How is it counting, boys and girls? Is it getting more? Right, the number's getting bigger. Is it going by ones or is it going by tens? Blank, 63, 64, blank, 66. It's going by ones. All right, so and the number is getting bigger. So it's getting one bigger. So we can go to 63 on the front. And it wants to know what's the number that comes before 63? 62. So it goes 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Awesome job. And then you can flip back here and you'll fill it right in. 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Alrighty, look at this next one. It goes 12, blank, 10, blank, 8. Is the number getting bigger or smaller? Smaller. It's counting backwards, right? So it would be 12. So let's find 12 and let's go backwards. Okay, where's 12? So it goes 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Go back to our eggs. So it goes 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Nice job. Our last one on this page goes 60. This one's tricky. 63, 73, blank, 93, blank. All right, let's look for 63 and then see, where is 73? So let's first find 63. All right, 63. All right, found it. 63, and then it goes 73. That's right underneath it, right? It goes 63, 73, 83, 93, 103. So it's going by tens, boys and girls. It's adding 10 to each of this. 63, 73, 83, 93, 103. Wow, this chart is such a helpful tool, right? It makes it so much easier. So it goes 63, 73, 83, 93, 103. And it says, fill in the missing numbers in each sequence. Color the eggs in the box that you count by tens. So now I'm going to go back through with a green crayon, I guess. Does this go by tens? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Nope, that goes by ones. Let's try the next one. 41, 40, 39, 38, 37. Does that go by tens? No. 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Does that go by tens? Yes, it does. So I'm going to color in that box because they go by tens. Okay, next one. 62. Whoa, you really can't see that light green that well, can you? Maybe I should have picked a darker color, but I colored in that box green. Now my next one, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Does it go by tens, boys and girls? No, it goes by ones. Let's try this next one. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Is that going by tens? Nope. It's counting down by ones. All right, let's try the last one. 63, 73, 83, 93, 103. Is that counting by tens, boys and girls? Yes, it is. And you'll color in that box. Okay. Couple of snacks. Alrighty. Awesome job, boys and girls. All right, turn to the next page. I'm going to go over the directions. It says count forward and backward. Write the missing numbers. So you're going to go through this, boys and girls, and you can use your chart that we filled in together to help you figure out the missing numbers. So you're counting, boys and girls. You're counting forward and you're counting backward and writing the missing numbers on this page. And then on the back, you're going to count forward and count backward. Write the missing numbers. All right, boys and girls, thank you so much for watching. Keep up the great work. Remember, you can always rewatch the video. You can always call me, text me, or email me. I'm here to help. All right, boys and girls, I can count and write my numbers to 120. Yes, you can. You're doing fabulous. I miss you so much. Remember, wash your hands. Love you. Bye.